What's up everybody? Welcome to a Frenchie vlog. In today's video, we're headed to the lake. Funny, not so funny story. We went to the lake last weekend for August long and I accidentally deleted all of the footage this morning at a real estate video gig. So not good video vlogging on my part, but whatever. We're going to the lake this weekend and I decided that we would vlog Frenchie's adventure of the lake. So I think it should be really fun. It's supposed to be pretty crappy out, but I know everyone will make the best of the weekend and I'm super duper excited. You're on the leash. Are you tired? Did you just need some water? We are waiting for Nathan to get home so we can head out. He's currently stuck because I was gonna take him out and then he decided to run up the stairs, but now he's chilling on the floor. Come here. Aww. Why would you do that? I'm gonna set this down and he's gonna think it's a toy. He and I are headed to the office to go pick up the mail. One of the pieces in the mail do belong to him, so I'm super excited to pick that up. Can you sit before you fall off the freaking seat and I crash? We're gonna, oh, don't show my address. We got it, we're gonna head home, open it, put it on, and then we're gonna leave for the lake. Frenchie's in the front seat with me because he's being a weirdo in the passenger seat. Look at you, look at you, that's you. Enjoying the car. That's a happy puppy if I've ever seen one. You can see him right there. He's looking at my water bottle. See what we got. So this is for me to hook up my iPad to my camera so I can do photo stuff on the go. This is for him. We're gonna roll up my window because no one needs to hear me making a YouTube video. We got some pajamas. Nathan's coming. Oh my God, they're dog pajamas.
Let's go.
I gotta leave in like 2 hours.
June hasn't texted me yet, so.
Well, it's Saturday morning. He's right playing his first game right now. Go
Cut
for
her
a
around. Yeah, I know.
You're a killer.
So
Right, could be a
beautiful.
killer.
Yeah.
Well, even today, there's no waves. Like, it's so nice right now. Just the
rope by
yeah, she grabs the rope and everything too.
Did
she grab the rope?
You are crazy. What are you doing?
Halfway, then she'll grab the rope.
What are you doing?
Yeah, because she knows she gets tired and she doesn't have enough strength to put it back.
Well, because you have to one hand, because they'll put up the latch too, so you have to one hand put it
Yeah, I
back.
don't think she'd be able to do that.
Eating on the beach. Good boy. Are you just wiped out? Just wiped out? Tired from the lake. He's so big already. Was it a fun lake trip, Frenchie? Did you have a good lake trip?